Hi, in this video I'm going to explain you how you can use this QUOTEX bot extension on your QUOTEX website to do auto trading. Okay, so first of all you have to search here QUOTEX and you have to press enter, and this is the extension that you need to install. Just click on it and click on add to Chrome and it will be installed in your browser. Okay, so once you have installed in this extension in your browser, now this is time to test this extension. Okay, so I will open my demo trading bot here, okay, my demo trading account on QUOTEX, and I will use this extension. So first of all, you need to know two things. This extension works free on demo account, but if you switch to your live account, it will charge you. You need to buy $20 subscription on this. Okay, so to use this bot, you just need to click on this extension icon. Okay, you need to click on extension icon and use this QUOTEX bot here. Just click on it and it will open the complete sidebar for you. Okay, you can see the complete sidebar is showing for you. So as you know, I'm already on my demo account, so it is right now saying works in demo mode only. For live trading, get subscription. So for live trading, you need to get subscription. So let's try this in demo account, and I will obviously show you how you can use this in your live account as well. So first of all, there are multiple things. So first of all, you can see this status here and this status here. So this means whenever you will start the trading, you will start trading from here or either from here. Okay, so when I click on here, it will ask me to start trading, and when I will start trading, this profit, this loss, and this net profit will be showing here. And it will also tell you how many trades it executed. So why we are showing how many trades it has executed? Because we have some options here. Okay, we can disable all of them and it will work manually. So you just need to start it. Like you can start it and then it will do some trades, and whenever you think you need to stop it, you can just click on stop button. That is it. Okay, so let's do a start trading. So if I click on start trading here, because right now I have some sequences here, I have some investment amounts, so it will follow that. But right now I already saved some sequences there, that is for RCAD, but I can obviously save it for any name. Okay, so I will use that. So it means it will first down trade, then it will do the down trade, and then it will do the up trade, and then it will do again the down trade. So this is sequence. It will do the trading in the same sequence, and this means the first dollar will be used for this down sequence, the $5 will be used for this down sequence, and so on. So it is just like a martingale. So if this trade, the first trade will get into loss, it will invest $5. If that will be in loss, it will start with $10 and with up sequence, okay, with up trade. So that's how it works. Let me do a quick trading here. So I will click on start trading here. So now you will see trading bot has been active and now it will start trading. So let's wait for it. So now you can see it's doing trading here. Okay, it has done just one trade right now, and now it got into loss and now it's doing other. Okay, I think my VPN is on, that is off, that is why it's not showing real-time trading logs here. So I just need to connect my VPN and now it will work fine. Okay, so you can see it's working very well. It's showing the loss, it's showing the profit, so each and everything is working very well. Right now I'm just doing a random test here, so that is why you can see these types of logs, because internet was not working there. So now I will tell you how you can make it. So let me stop it again. Okay, I will just stop it. Like I will stop it from here. I will refresh the page. Okay, now I have stopped this bot. Now I want to put some conditions there. So suppose that I just want to leave it out when there is a $10 loss or $5 loss. So suppose that okay, I want to run it for 5 minutes. Okay, I want to run the bot for 5 minutes and I want to take profit for $10 and stop loss for $5. Okay, so it means whenever it will show the net profit or loss here, like if it shows $5 loss, it will quickly exit. It will stop the trading. If it shows $10 profit here, means we got $10 profit, it will stop the trading. And after 5 minutes, it will automatically stop. So whatever triggers automatically like hit from these three conditions, it will automatically stop the bot. Okay, so this is how it's working, and this shows total profit you have made so far, total loss, total trades you have done this with bot, and overall net profit. So right now this is my new account, so that is why it's showing in the loss, because I was doing some testing. So now what you need to do actually here, you just need to set this. Whatever you want you can set. If you want it to run for lifetime, you can disable this. If you want it for limited time, you can enable it. If you want to set take profit, you can enable it. If you want to set profit stop loss, you can also enable it. Okay, so after enabling these options, and now you can also tell in which time interval it should run. So this is 5 seconds right now. If you want it to run for 1 minute, you can put it like this, 60 seconds. Okay, so that will switch to 1 minute, but right now 5-second strategy works for me, so I will type it as it is, and that is it. Now I can also choose any of these quick presets that are already there. Okay, you can see these quick presets, whatever you want. So right now I will choose this, or you can also edit this like this. Okay, and you can add one more amount, okay, like this. But right now I think this is one of the best sequence, so I will use it. Up down and up down, and 1 2 4 8. So it will keep doubling the amount until it got profit, and whenever it got profit, it will start exactly from the first amount, that is $1. So now everything is set up. I just need to click on stop trading because trading is already stopped, and now I just need to click on start trading and it will start the trading. So I just need to click on it, and now it is starting. Now you can notice it is showing the time for 5 minutes, because right now I have shown time for 5 minutes here, and now it will show the net profit here, the loss, and the profit. Okay, so this is what our bot checks for here. So if it reaches $10, take profit for $10, it will automatically stop. It will, if it will be -5, it will automatically stop. Or if it if it completes the trade in 5 minutes, like this timer goes down to 0 seconds, then it will also automatically stop. So whatever condition automatically fills first, it will start the bot. Okay, so after that you just need to click on this lifetime stats, and here you can see total profit, total loss, trades, and net amount. So this is how it's working. Now it's making profit like $4.52. Okay, so let's keep it as it is, and we will monitor it. So it means we just got loss for -$1, and we have profit for $6.44. So overall we are in profit. So let's just wait, and now you can see what amount it is putting there, and in which sequence it is putting there. It's also showing you the trades as well. So you can see we are still in profit, and this is working well. Okay, we will just monitor it. It's just incrementing the profit here, and you can see the in real time as well. So bot is working very well. You just need to observe your stocks. You just need to observe some stocks, and you just need to try different types of trading sequences and amounts, and just need to see what works for you in which time. Okay, because in your country timing can be different, so you need to observe, you need to experiment these types of sequences. You can create your own sequences, you can edit the sequences on different types of stocks. So whatever works for you, just take it and do the trading on it. Okay, so right now, because I have enabled this demo mode for only free users. Okay, so I mean free users can try this for surety. So whenever they will have perfect system, they can get the subscription from here. Okay, so if you want to do the trading, you just need to go to the subscription, to the live account. You need to get the subscription. Okay, now you can see $9.48. Just one trade more, and it will be in profit, and bot will automatically stop. Okay, you got $10.38 profit, and bot is automatically stopped. You can see here, and this is amount we have made so far, and this was loss. Okay, and this is our net profit. You can see it here. So net profit just reached on $10, so that's why our bot has been stopped, and this is our total profit, and now we are just from 65 to 75.42. Okay, so this is how it's working. You can experiment it, and you can also leave a review here. You can just click on it to leave a review. You can contact us on WhatsApp. You can join our WhatsApp group, where a lot of people, a lot of other users that are using this bot share their experiences and also their sequences, amounts, and everything. Okay, so this is how it works. So now let me explain you how you can get this into live account. So for that, you just need to click on live account here like this. So now you're on live account, and when I will click on start trading, or I will click on start trading, it is saying subscription verification failed, trading stopped. So what I need to do here, I just need to reopen this sidebar by clicking here and reopen it. Now you can see free version works in demo mode only. For live trading, we need to get subscription. Either you can click on this button or you can just click on this button. When I click on this button, it will ask you for your email, okay, and it will open this specific link, okay. And after that, you just need to subscribe on it. Just keep the email as it is. The same email must be here, okay. If you change the email, our system will not be able to track. Just keep email as it is and type your full name, country, and just buy. And after that, just reopen the sidebar or just click on check again, and your subscription will be active. So that is it. After that, you can obviously use it for live trading as well. So you will see here live trading active. You just need to click on check again after buying on Gumroad, and that is it. Now you can click on check again and you can do on live trading as well. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can install this extension. You just need to search for QUOTEX on Chrome Web Store, and after that you just need to click on this extension and you can install it from here. So that is it, how it's working. Thank you. Have a good day.